Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this AEGISLINK smoke alarm with photoelectric sensor and a 10-year battery fire alarm smoke detector with double adhesive tape. The model type is S220 and I think it's a pretty attractive listing. So let's open the box and see what we get. There's some instructions manual and then the device, and the device is pretty small. Yeah, here we have it. Compared to other devices, it's really small. So if you like small, this could be something really interesting for you. And it comes definitely with this double-sided tape and also a mounting plate if you want to use it with two screws here. That also works really nice, so you can screw it on the wall like that, and then we have it here. You can see you can just turn it around. Very convenient, both options. Comes even with a small set of screw and anchors. It has a really small diameter, which is really nice. It is a little bit higher than other smoke alarms, but I think it could be quite some advantage to avoid some dead air space which you could have, especially in the corners or around the corners. And with the photoelectric sensor, it works for smoldering fires and also fast burning fires. The set comes also with a small instructions manual. Especially important here, the silence mode. If you have some alarm which you have on the control, then you can silence the thing here. So here's described how to make a test alarm. Maybe you can do that every now and then, but actually this device tests itself every 60 seconds. But of course this additional test alarm will also test the loudspeaker. I think this is a good thing to test every now and then. And there's a final thing here in the instructions, that's the LED indicator, if there is something to know what it means and the technical specification. And there's a very last thing, the troubleshooting if there is some problem, but I'm not expecting too many problems because it has also this maintenance free 10-year battery. And the question is then, why the 10-year? And this is because this is usually the lifetime also of the sensor, so it doesn't make sense to replace a battery after 10 years. It wouldn't be safe to use this thing anymore. This is the code which most fire departments are using, 10 years, and then replace the thing no matter if the battery is still okay or not. So this is very convenient. So you install it and then you have peace of mind for 10 years and then you buy a new one. And because there's no button to turn on and off this device, there's just this button here to test and to silence the alarm. There's the question how to turn it on, and this is to mount this on the wall. I'm not doing this here, but I'm going to show you how this works or how it would work. Imagine we have this on the wall and then you turn it clockwise and then you will see for a short moment a red light blinking. If you miss the red light, you will see it anyway every minute here on this button. And so we have the automatic check every 60 seconds, and we have all kind of warnings if there would be a problem or low battery at the end of the 10 years or so. You don't have to be worried. And to make a full test, also including the speaker, you just press this button here and then you will hear 3 times a very loud beeping sound. So make sure that you have some ear protection. I'm doing this right now. Okay, worked very well. So I think it's a really cool device. I think it's very attractive listing. It has everything what we want in 2022. Absolutely perfect. So I can highly recommend it, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.